This is Andrew from CircuitAssembly.com. I just wanted to showcase some of our HDMI related adapters. These are all the female HDMI adapters that we have for sale on our e-store. This is our premium HDMI cable that we're selling with a nylon poly braid. As you can see, it's very high quality.
This is our mini DVI to HDMI adapter. This is the Displayport to female HDMI adapter used on the new computers that have Displayport out. This is a HDMI standard size to mini HDMI adapter that can be digital camera. And this is a DVI to female HDMI adapter. You can use that as a coupler between an HDMI cable and a DVI cable. We also have other versions that are male on the DVI end. I just want to show you a little bit about how tight these connections are. They're not very loose, so you don't have any trouble with the adapters falling off. You can see it's quite tight for all of them. It actually requires a little bit of force to get these off. This way you don't have to worry about any loose connections. You don't really have to worry about there being a screw lock on these. All these adapters are available on our e-store. It's e-store.circuitassembly.com. This adapter, if you don't know, is used on the older Macs that have mini DVI out. We also have an adapter now that is mini DisplayPort out that we just got in stock, but it's not in this video. And that's everything, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video.